of sweet-smelling spring, breathing new life as she did sing. Bidding flower buds bloom with her breath, as they smiled unaware of their eventual death. And remember the warmth of summer's first rain, painting the world on a window pane, lulling us all as the fields slowly drowned, singing us to sleep with its muffled sound. When memories search, these thoughts are found. And memory may sparkle and glow for a while, but everything fades along with our smiles. And the gentle voice that drew a spring song will feebly croak and die before long. And the flowers that danced in the tender breeze will wilt and wither, die of disease. And the soothing patter of summer's first shower will dry to dust in only an hour. What was once sweet will all turn sour.